Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Sheaves, Territory Manager for Bona US, and we're here today to do a demonstration on our Bona Power Scrubber. We're going to start today by covering some features and benefits of the machine. It's designed to actually clean hardwood floors but can be used on many hard surfaces. We'll start out by just covering a couple things with it. It actually has a 2.5 gallon solution tank and a 2.5 gallon recovery tank. It has a dual cylindrical brush system and a dual squeegee system to pick up the water solution off the floor as you clean. We'll start by actually tipping the machine back and showing you the undercarriage. So we have dual cylindrical brushes. These are the white brushes for general cleaning. We also have an optional red brush that we use for our scrub and recoat system. The brushes are easily removed. You simply push in on the button, brush comes out to replace, change, and or clean. We have our squeegee system on each side here for the recovery. As we tip the machine back up, we have our dial assembly here. We're in transport mode now. Lifts the brushes and squeegees off of the floor, everything's up. And then you have an adjustment control that you turn through with 4 different settings for the actual brush pressure, how much is on the floor. Of course, you want to start at the minimum, use the least amount of pressure to do your cleaning. Come forward, we actually have our pedal for our squeegee. Pushing it, that's going to lower the squeegee to the floor. The other way is going to raise it up. Turning the machine around, we have here our handle lock system, so we're in a lock position to be able to transport the machine on the wheels so it doesn't flop from side to side. You simply click that to release it. This will let the handle lay down, releases the machine to the floor. You can clean from either direction simply by flipping the handle over. So it goes back up into the lock position, lifts the machine off of the floor. We're going to lay it back down just to show you for the solution and recovery tank. So we have a handle, you lift up, pull it in place, it kind of lift up and clicks and locks. That'll keep it from flipping back and forth. Then you can lift the assembly off. You can take this wherever you need to go to be able to get rid of the solution and also to be able to refill the tanks. Bottom of the machine gives you access to the vacuum motor and also to all the lines if you need to do any type of maintenance and cleaning. Back down onto the machine, 2 clips. We take off the top tank, which is our solution tank. Bottom is your recovery tank, and that gives you access to be able to clean. Rinse out that tank. Click it back in place. This cap will come off. This is where we're going to put our solution in, cleaning solution. So you add 2 gallons of water, and then you're going to add a 1/2 gallon of the deep clean solution. Put that in the tank, and then you're ready to go. Lid goes back on. We'll put the handle back up, and we're actually going to lock that into position for just a second so I can show you the transport wheels. You simply push down on the gray button. That will release the wheel. These will go up in the handle for storage while you're actually running the machine. And from there, we're ready to go. All we need to do is hook up the cord. Our solution is in the machine, and then we'll be ready to start cleaning.